Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Molly Pretzel, and for the trick,
I have such a hard time talking.
for today,
What the fuck?
and for today's trick bank, I'm gonna teach you the bondage split. To do the bondage split, you need a little bit of flexibility, so make sure to stretch before. You want to have the feeling that you can lift your leg up and put it somewhat behind your shoulder. From here, your arm should be able to go around. So that would be like the starting point. If you cannot do that, you need to stretch more before. So this is a little bit more of an advanced trick. Without any further ado, let's go to the pole. We're gonna do this from a straddle and an outside leg hang. You can also do it from other ways, but to me this was the easiest way to learn it, so this is how I'm gonna teach you guys. When I do this, I wanna go here, I want to do straddle and an outside leg hang. Make sure that you're sticking proper to your squeezy point here. Now I want to keep my hands on the pole. I want to pull my upper body up. And I want to keep this hand, same leg as suspended, on the pole. I do not want to take it off. From here, I'm gonna take my back leg, taking it towards the pole, and I'm gonna feel the pole here on my thigh. Now I'm gonna take my lower hand, grabbing forward and bending the arm around. So I have like this kind of grip here. Then I'm gonna straighten my leg, straighten the other one, take it off. My upper arm decides the direction, if I want to be here, if I want to pull more and be more straight. So you can decide. Coming out, I'm gonna bend my leg around the pole, coming back to straddle, and then back down again. Whew, yeah. So what you want to make sure of when you're in the bondage split, first of all, keeping the same hand on as the leg that is bended. You want to take your arm around your leg, the arm that's going around. You want to have a feeling that it's going, I don't know how I'm going to show this. It's going here, then I'm going to bend it like this way. So I'm basically turning this hand and then bending it around, because then it's going to be easier. If I'm not turning the hand, I'm just going to be bending and I'm going to be here. So make sure that you're turning, and then going in and locking. Like this. My hand on the pole, so the one that's going around, you cannot see it when I'm in the trick, but you want to have like this side up, so you're going to grab the pole like this. It might be a little bit hard on the wrist in the beginning, but you will get used to it.
It's painful, just like life.
So, a short video for today, but I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you nailed it. If you nailed it, I would love to see it on Instagram, so please tag me. I am Molly Pretzel on Instagram. And also remember to subscribe to my channel for more cool tricks. See you soon!